Welcome back, guys. So I made a wooden train track. So I not tested it yet, but these are Ikea tracks. So it came from all these boxes. I found this right up there. So yeah, now we're going to test it. I do have a battery train in it, and I had put some batteries in it. So let's test it. Let's get for this guy off. Get out of here. Get out of here. Get out of here. Oh, there's a piece cushion. So, it says it. I hope it works. What? Oh no, I remember now. So I think this one is broken. Yeah, you see, there's some berries in it. It does not lay on the berry. It lays on the train because it's literally broken. Because there were berries in here for almost a year, I think. And they were melting, of course, because if you put berries too long in a toy, the berries get melt, and the melting was on the metal, so that blocks the contact for the berries to the motor to work. So that's why it's all my fault, because yeah. So we can't test it with this, you see. So we're gonna need to test it, but this train is cut train, so this is push along, and I really don't like trains to push. Pull or push, whatever. No, got it backwards. Oh, that was satisfying still. Wow. So let's test it. I mean, that's a very good sound. Chuk chuk. Chuk chuk chuk. Wow, that was amazing. Damn. So, yeah. That's it. Oh, whoa. I hope the passengers are not dead in there. So, I got something to say. Does these trains, this not look like Thomas and Friends? This one is Speedy Thomas. This one, Speedy James. And this one is Bus Percy. It literally looks like a bus in green, like Percy. But Percy, not a bus, but Bus Percy, Speedy James, and Speedy Thomas. So yeah, this looks like Thomas and Friends trains. Don't know why, but let's get them back on track. I don't know why we're literally a teenager playing with wooden trains. Oh, these are literally for like if you're a baby or if you're just born, you can play with these. And these are to 6 years old, I think, and really a teenager playing with wooden trains. But I really like them. I would like them more if this one worked. Oh, you can't really see it. It does got a lot of cool detail. I do really like that this one. See, the magnet moves. See, and this right here, it says Ikea. See, Ikea made in China. So, I really like the switch to this to go to the front, and this to go backwards. And this is to stop. So that got a lot of cool detail. Let's take a look at this Speedy James or whatever. So you can see it's really wood. The wheels are even wood. I don't think they have a number in there. It's not like I hold it too close to the camera. Oh no, it worked. Now I can't even see it, so I think that does not have a number. But let's look at Bus Percy. I don't know why, but it literally looks like a bus. Why does it look like a bus? See, also wood. Metal on the wheels again. Magnets that you actually can't move. Not like the motorized seat can't move. That's what I really don't like about this, because the magnets it's better this frame because the magnet is flexible. It's also battery powered. So let's look at Speedy. Thomas is actually just the same as Speedy James. So also wood, same metal, same magnets, just a different color. Let's take it one more time for a ride. Let's go for a ride. I got it backwards, but let's go for a ride. Yeah. Let's go. Woo. That's what I don't need to still say. Let's look. See this. See these couplers. See this wood. See this coupler. Well, I need to explain this so I can get it off. See, because I think this is 3D print because I did not buy this in Ikea. We found this somewhere, but it's not from Ikea. So see, maybe it's an old piece that they used. Maybe it's 3D printed because it was broken. See, there's a number in there. I did not know that. Can't really see it. Can I, bro, I can't. Oh my god, I'm destroying my camera now. So you can't see it because my camera doesn't listen to me sometimes. So this is a real bummer. I don't like this plastic. I don't think this is normally in a set because it's not really new to set, because this I got this from when I was a kid. I got this for Christmas. This set with tracks, and then I can't get it in anymore. Yeah, well, I also got this motorized battery operated train for Christmas. It did work then. The battery operated train, they did buy that from Ikea. This was new, but I broke it, so it's now broke used. So I don't know how there towards this. That's this now in this video. Nothing listens to me. Yeah, nothing. You see, it's not line up. Or is it not Ikea? This see, it's really not correct. See, it seems not right. So wow. So let's take one more time for a ride, and let's close out the video then. I think the next wooden train video, then I will make it more fun and buy another motorized, and I'll break it this time. I will not break it this time because otherwise then I will have no money anymore to buy a new one. I'm kidding. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. We'll see you next time. Bye. Bye bye.